Yes. Now let us come to the third sector, that is tertiary sectors. Okay? What is the definition of tertiary sector? Tertiary sector covers activities by which we do not produce goods but generate services. Tertiary sector covers activities by which we do not produce goods but generate services, different kinds of services. Okay, it is called tertiary sector. Okay, listen to the definition once again. The tertiary sector covers activities. Tertiary sector covers activities by which okay, we do not produce goods. We do not produce goods. By which we do not produce goods. Then what do? We generate services. Okay? We generate services. Right? You see? So the definition once again. Tertiary sector covers activities by which we do not produce goods but generate services is called tertiary sector. Okay? Now this sector is also called service sector. This sector is also called service sector. Okay? Why is it called service sector? Because all the services, all the activities under this sector concerned with service, not goods. Okay? Not production of goods. And all the activities under this sector are concerned with services. That is why it is called service sector. So you see, primary sector is called agriculture and related sector. Secondary sector is called industrial sector. And tertiary sector is called service sector. Okay, am I clear? Alright. Then examples. Otherwise it will not be clear. Now I have only given you the definitions but not examples. Let me give you examples. Okay. Now production of cotton. Which sector? It is primary. You see, this is the example of primary sector. When farmers produce cotton in their fields, it is an activity of the primary sector. Okay, because they use natural resources, mainly by using natural resources. So production of cotton. Now you see, cotton changed into or transformed into yarn. Okay, cotton transferred into yarn. Alright, transferred into yarn and then into clothes. Okay, into clothes by Bimon. Okay, by Bimon. Alright, by Demon Company. Alright, you see, when cotton is changed into yarn and then also into clothes, it is an activity of the secondary sector or industrial sector, because manufacturing is required here. Mind the word manufacturing. In secondary sector, there must be manufacturing unit. Okay? Alright. Now, these clothes are sold in different shops. Clothes are sold in different shops of not only Kolkata but here also. Okay? You go to Sari Sagar or any other shop or any tailor, alright, you see. So, when these are sold, it is called service sector or tertiary sector. So, you see, first one is primary, that is production of cotton, changed into other clothes, alright, transformed into clothes, that is called secondary sector or industrial sector, and third, clothes are sold in different shops. So clothes are sold in different shops, that is called service sector or tertiary sector. Okay? This is one example that I am giving you. Alright? Let me give you another example. Very easy examples. Let me give. What is called primary sector? What is called secondary sector? What is called tertiary sector? In order to explain it more clearly, let me give you another example. Okay? Now, production of wheat. First, let me write primary is production of wheat. Production of wheat by farmers. By farmers. Okay? When the farmers produce wheat in their fields, it is an activity of the primary sector because they use natural resources, land, water, all right, seeds, all these are there. Then you come secondary, all right, or secondary or industrial sector, secondary or industrial sector, okay, industrial sector. Now this wheat is turned into flour, wheat turned into flour, and flour into bread, okay, flour into bread. Supreme food products or popular food products are okay. They turn this wheat first into flour and then into bread. Okay, so you see it is associated with manufacturing. That is why it is called secondary or industrial sector. Understand, my dear boys and girls? Okay, last one, that is tertiary or service sector. Service sector. You see that this bread is sold. This bread is sold in different shops. Okay? In different shops or by vendor. Alright, you know that the vendors move about on the streets calling that bread. Okay? You see, these are okay. This is another example of primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Now the next topic is very interesting. Okay? Next topic, let me pass on to next topic first.